गोंय प्लास्टीक फ्री करपाक राज्यांत कागदांच्या पिशव्यांक प्रोत्साहन दिवचें तशेंच राज्यांतल्या बायलांनी असल्या उद्योगांत लक्ष घाल्यार ह्या माध्यमांतल्यान बरे रितीन आर्थीक बळ वाडोवपाक येता। ही चाल कांय प्रमाणात दाबोळी मतदारसंघांत सुरू जाल्या म्हण पंचायत मंत्र्यान सांगलां। RDX गोवा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीज।
I have made a very small beginning in my constituency wherein paper bags are being produced. Whole essence is we should take steps to protect our environment. As an environment friendly practice, we are producing paper bags of different hues and cries where you can even pack things like fish and all. This initiative I have further improved upon. We are in the process of streamlining this paper bag industry even further to make it more viable. Women go after Grah Aadhar where they get about 1.5 or 2,000 for the additional expense. Whereas if they work for a few hours and produce some bags, not only will they be contributing to the environment, but they will also be earning about 4,000 to 5,000 rupees, double of what they earn through the other government scheme. So they are gainfully employed, getting some good pocket money. So this scheme which I have in my own constituency, I want to spread it a little further, and if possible convert it into a government scheme, whether it is through the Jila Panchayat or to the Panchayat itself, Panchayat body itself, or through the Mahila Shakti Abhiyan. I will be giving a deep thought, but I will be making it a viable scheme. So the whole essence will be in the whole of Goa, reduce or completely do away with use of plastic and use these paper bags made by our Mahilas.
Now, when you say it could be a government scheme also, so government initially would be funding of the project for the each and every panchayat they come up with this?
It is still early days. Various options are being exercised, but the whole burden will definitely not be on the government. It is going to be a Mahila government initiative where the Mahila Shakti Abhiyan will come forward and they will be contributing in their own way. We will see as far as the government is concerned where it can come in the picture, and it will be basically combining the synergies for public good.